Hello, friends. Welcome to Sai Academy. How are you? I hope you all are good and healthy. Myself is also good. Now, I am going to discuss about a problem which has been asked in various competitive examination that is based on the Compton effect. The question here is high energy photons of gamma rays are scattered from electrons. Initially, I traced assume the photons are backscattered and their energies are much larger than the electron's rest mass energy. That is, E is greater than MEC square. So calculate the wavelength shift. Second, so that the energy of the scattered photons is half the rest mass energy of the electron regardless of the energy of the incident photons. Third, calculate the electrons recoil kinetic energy if the energy of the incident photons is 150 million electron volt. So now let's solve this question. So solution, since from the Compton's wavelength shift, we know that lambda prime minus lambda is equal to delta lambda is equal to h by MEC into 1 minus cos theta, where h is the Planck's constant, me is the rest mass of the electron, c is the speed of light, lambda prime is the wavelength of the scattered photon, and lambda is the wavelength of the initial photon falling on the surface. So to solve the first question, it is given that photons are backscattered. That means angle of scattering theta is equal to 180 degree equal to pi, and rest mass energy of the electron MEC square is given as 0.511 million electron volt. We know that H cross C is equal to 197.33 into 10 to the power minus 15 million electron volt. These two are the standard values which may be directly used for solving the problems. So now from this Compton's shift, we can write delta lambda is equal to h by 2 pi into 2 pi into c divided by MEC square. That means it is converted into H cross C divided by MEC square into 2 pi 1 minus cos pi. That means 4 pi H cross C divided by MEC square, which gives, upon substituting these values, 4 into 3.14 into H cross C, that is 197.33 into 10 to the power minus 15 million electron volt divided by 0.511 million electron volt, which gives 4 after calculating 8 into 10 to the minus 12 meter. So this is the wavelength of the Compton shift for gamma photons. Now second part shows that the energy of the scattered photon is half the rest mass energy of the electron, regardless of the energy of the incident photons. So B part, since the energy of the scattered photon is related to wavelength, so if E prime is the energy of the scattered photon, then it can be given as E prime is equal to H C by lambda prime, and lambda prime is given by Compton shift lambda plus H by MC into 1 minus cos theta. And in this case we have calculated that for theta is equal to pi, it can be written as HC divided by lambda plus 2 H by M EC, and it can be easily converted into rest mass energy format, that is HC by lambda by H by MEC plus 2 into H by MEC, which further gives MEC square divided by MEC square lambda by HC plus 2. So E prime is equal to this. Now the condition is that E is greater than MEC square. So now also E is equal to HC by lambda. So after substituting this value, E prime becomes me c square by me c square by E plus 2, which further can be written as MEC square divided by 2 into MEC square by 2E plus 1 is equal to half MEC square into 1 plus MEC square by 2 by E to the power minus 1. That is E prime is equal to half MEC square minus MEC square by 2 whole square divided by E. Since as per the condition E is very greater than MEC square, so this becomes E prime approximately equal to half MEC square, which is equal to 0.511 by 2 million electron volt. It is 0.25 million electron volt. Now the third part, calculate the electrons recoil kinetic energy if the energy of the incident photons is 150 million electron volt. So given is energy of the photon, incident photon, energy of incident photon E is equal to E gamma is equal to 150 million electron volt. From the conservation of energy principle, E gamma plus energy of the electron is equal to E gamma prime plus energy of the recoil electron. Therefore, energy of the recoil electron is given as E gamma minus E gamma prime, as electron is in rest, E is equal to almost equal to 0. So this gives 149.75 million electron volt. So friends, for the similar problem you can practice, because these are the very important problems. Friends, if you like this video, Please share it with your friends and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you get the upcoming videos first. If there is any query or doubts, please let us know. We will try to solve your problem and explain the doubts. Thank you.